In this quarantine, we're united as one. Today is Nail Slay Day. Your nails looking in this quarantine like this, or so I have a solution for that. Look at the nails that are coming. Nails, if that's what you're looking for, your own nails, and get those really cute press-on nails. Here you go, beautiful sleigh. Colors and rock this sleigh. Awesome, isn't it? Glam, what do you think? Is this for you? Well, coffin nails your style. Sunshine in your life. The different color sleigh. What do you think? Like a type of gal. That black is awesome. Glitter type of gal like me. Or maybe the clear design type of gal. That ombre type of gal. That green. Pop and pink design. Yes. And black design. This, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you won't miss another. Get those nails together.